Good morning, DXN. Today I'm going to bring a good news for our esteemed DXN distributors. DXN launched a new product called Citopan. And Citopan is a herbal cough remedy. This is very good for our sore throat and coughs and all. And this is made up of different types of medicinal plants, and it is very good and good for the whole family. And I'm using this, and this is not like an allopathic medicine. Allopathic medicine, a cough syrups. After you take in that, you feel sleepy and drowsiness. It's all because of uh, medicine that contain chemicals and all. But this Situpan, this purely herbs, no chemical mix. After you take this Situpan, you feel fresh and you'll get immediate relief from your cough and sore throats and all. So you just try once. And then this price is 150 MRP, and the DP price for the DXN distributor is 120. So comparing to other product, this is very cheap and very high quality for our distributors. So I ask each and every of our esteemed distributors to get it one for yourself, for your whole, for yourself and your for family. And this is very good. I really like this, and I'm using this for my whole family. I hope you do like it, this product. So I want to see you everyone at the top. Thank you.